Okay, so in this particular chapter, we'll be adding a disk mount to a container instance. So before doing that, let's create a disk. So I'll go to my disk and let's create a disk. So I'll create a disk, click on create disk. I'll make it a single zone. And let's make it standard persistent and let's just make it 10 GB. And I will disable the snapshot and let's click on create. Okay, so my disk has been created. Let's go back to our compute instance now, compute engine. And here, the first thing I'll do is I'll just stop this instance. So let's edit this. So I'll click on instance 3, click on edit. And let's go. The first thing that we need to do is we need to add a disk. So let's click on add additional disk, click on attach existing disk, and we'll add the disk that we just created. So disk 1 was the one that we just created. So let's click on done. And after you've done that, the next thing you need to do is you need to go to your advanced container options. And here you need to add the volumes. Click on add volume. And here you need to choose disk. So let's give the mount as root/disk. And let's choose the disk one that we've created. And let's make this as a read write. And let's click on add volume. Let's click on done. And that's about it. Let's save and restart. Okay, so our instance is started. Let's click on SSH and let's log into a machine. So let's do a sudo su. And the first thing that I need to do is I need to get the container instance ID. So let's do a docker container ls. So this is the name of my container. So let's log into this particular machine. And all that I need to do is I just need to go to the root directory, do a ls, and you can see a disk folder got created here. And within this disk, I can create any file or folder that I like. And one final thing we'll do is we'll do a df dot. And you can see that there is a disk mounted on root disk and it has 10 GB of space. So that is it for this lecture. So this is a very simple lecture on how you can mount your disk on a container in your virtual machine. So I'll see you in the next chapter.